Hello traders, Wolves of Crypto. It's Michael. I'm here to make some money with you guys. So, I got a great system. Great system. So, we're going to be trading in the bear market and making money. We're not going to be doing shorts, but we're going to be doing buys. And we're going to be making money. So, I'm going to pull up a chart here that had a big drop. I mean, a lot of coins recently have had a big drop, but let's do TEL, USDT. That coin had a fairly nasty drop. Yeah, you see this? Actually, we'll pull it out to the 4-hour chart to see a bigger picture of this. All right, so we're in a pretty nasty bear market here, right? We're all the way up at 0.033 and went down to 0.003. So, 90% drop. Think it's possible to make money in this period of time? It's going to be hard, right? Well, this strategy will help you so you're not going to be losing money in the bear market. You're going to be making informed, educated decisions on making a trade. You're not going to be getting in at points like this, where you think it came down to support maybe, and then it just drops more, like way more, right? We don't want to be getting in trades like that. You know, when it's in a more of a bullish market, which this is kind of sideways, but when it's in a market like this, you got a little bit less of risk. The price is going to probably come back up, right? But if we're in a big bear market like this, got a low probability that the price is going to come back up to where you were at if it had a big drop, right? Maybe if you got down in here, came back up a little bit, but if you miss this take profit, we're all the way back down to here, right? So I'm going to pull up the 1-hour chart. Actually, you know what? The 1-hour chart is good. There's not as many opportunities for the 1-hour chart with this system. But the 15-minute chart, you're going to get the most opportunities. And like I kind of mentioned in some previous videos, if you're doing the 15-minute chart, you're going to want to be taking profits smaller. If you're going to be doing the 1-hour chart, you can take it a little bit bigger. So the take profits for the 15-minute should be around 1 to 3%. And this is essentially a day trading strategy. You can use higher time frames like 1 hour and take your profit, 5 to 10% and still be very safe with this strategy and making a lot of money with it. But I like to get a lot of opportunities and take lots of profit. Doing 15-minute chart and taking 1 to 3% profit more consistently than taking a 5 to 10% profit is actually more profitable. So we're going to do the 15-minute chart example here. And all right, let's see. I'm going to try to find where it was more bearish. All right, well, we got a big drop here, so let's pull up the indicators. I got 2 indicators for us. First one is the MFI, Money Flow Index. Click that. That'll pull up the Money Flow Index. We're going to want to change the settings to that on that. Take that back out to 38. The longer the MFI is, the better. See, it was a lot more condensed on that last setting. We don't want it to be super condensed. We want it to be wide and more of a range, right? So what we're looking for is the MFI to be under 20. See, we got 20 over here. We want the MFI to be under 20. That is buy signal number 1. So we're looking for that. And as you see here, when it went under 20, we got the bottom. When it went back up, boom, we got some nice profit, right? We got our 3% pretty quick. So That's the first thing we're looking for, the MFI 38 on the settings, and we're looking for the MFI to be below 20. That's really good. If we scroll back more, we'll be able to find another opportunity. So we got another one right here. Look at that dip. It dipped far down. And we basically caught the bottom with the MFI, and it shot right back up right after that. So we're really getting really, really low buys here. So when it's in a bear market, we're basically buying the bottom area of that bear market. See, as you see, it was bearish, 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 and then we got this very bottom. And then if we set a take profit on this strategy, you're gonna hit your take profit pretty quick, right? So this isn't completely solid using only the MFI. Like as you see here, if we didn't quite make our take profit, which it looks like it probably did make 3%, but if we didn't quite, then we're just like kind of in a dead zone, and then it just kept going down, right? We don't want that to happen. So what I've set up here is a indicator to pair it with, but overall, when we get these signals, taking profit at 3% is very safe. Taking profit at less than that will actually get you even more opportunities, and you will have high profits because you'll have so many opportunities. Taking like a 1% profit will boost it even more. And what I do is I scan many coins at the same time. I don't just look at one. I have a bot that'll scan many coins at the same time, and that's actually on my website. If you're watching the video from the website, that is the bot that we use. The bot scans many coins for this and places a trade whenever this occurs on the website. And if you have your account linked, it places a trade on your account and does it all automatically, and then takes profit and places another trade and does it again. So I scan a lot of coins with this strategy to get a lot of opportunities. And I'm going to pair the second indicator here. It's the wave trend. And we're going to be looking for this one right here, the crypt. Wave trend oscillator crypt. So click that, bring it on. And we're going to want to change the settings on this too. We're going to want the oversold level to be -1. We're going to want the overbought to be 1. We're going to want the length, channel length to be 51. We want the average length to be 51. Click OK once that's ready. And now our indicator is set up and ready to go. So now what we're looking for is the MFI to be under 20 and the wave trend oscillator to be under -1, which is, if you see the orange shaded area, it's under -1, right? We want it to be down here. And so right here, we got an opportunity to buy. This would have been an opportunity. So at 0.0096, and it went all the way up to 0.0104, which that is about 5% profit right there. So if we would have set a 3% take profit, boom, we would have got it. And if we scroll back, we can look at this at any point in time. It looks like we got one here, 0.0118 to 0.0123, which was at about a 3-4% take profit on that one. We can just scroll back and look at any time this opportunity happened, and we're gonna make some money. So as you see here, it went down below the MFI right about here, which we didn't get a signal, and it kind of dropped after that, but thankfully it went back up. If you were to take that and you're only using the MFI, sometimes it doesn't go back up, it just keeps going down. So that's why we pair this wave trend with it. Now here's a really good one. We got a signal. Oh, we actually got the signal right here, which was a little bit before it dropped again, but look at that. Boom, it climbed big time after that. So that was another good trade. It barely missed the bottom, but it got pretty much the bottom, right? It was going down, down, down. We got pretty much the bottom. Here we go on another one. We would have got down here around 0.014 up to 0.0155, which is another 3, 4, 5% take profit. It's even higher right here if you would have missed that. So keep going back. We're going to go all the way through this bear market here. Keep going back. No signal here. That was the last signal. Keep going back, keep going back, keep going back. And some coins have a lot more opportunities than other coins. If you were to just check veed real quick. This coin has quite a few opportunities. As you see, it goes out of the MFI quite a bit. So right here, boom, take profit. Right here, we're getting another signal right now. So right now is a good time to buy veed. Right now actually has a signal. We would be getting in right now. And then we had one right here. Boom, take profit up here. We had another one slightly right here. Boom, take profit. Go back, have another one right here. Look at that bottom. Boom, take profit. So as you see, the win rate on this is extremely high. It's at about 100%. There's some drawdown on some of the trades at some points, but it's pretty high. And you're going to want to use coins that have a high amount of volatility for this to have a lot of opportunities. So that's about it. You pair those two indicators, how I explained it just now, and that's how you make money. So whenever you see that happen, boom, make money. And if you want this to be automated on a bot, we have that. We have a bot for it on our website. I got the link in the video. And that's it. That's it for this trading strategy. You're welcome. Michael out.